In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports to Excel in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what options matter, and how to get a clean spreadsheet you can analyze, share, or archive. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in to the company you want to work with. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one. This keeps your export focused on the data you actually need. Once you're in, look toward the top right for the settings gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the tools that control your data. Click the gear to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser is maximized and you're not zoomed in too far, as the icon can shift slightly based on screen size. In the settings menu, select Export Data. This takes you to a dedicated page where QuickBooks prepares your information for Excel. You'll typically see options organized by reports and lists. Think of reports as your financial statements and detailed activity, and lists as your master data like customers, vendors, products, and chart of accounts. Now fill in the details for what you want to export. Start by choosing the date range that matches your analysis, such as last month, last quarter, or a custom range. If you work on cash versus accrual, set the accounting method accordingly so the numbers line up with how you report. Under the Reports section, select the specific reports you want included. QuickBooks may pre-select common ones like the profit and loss and balance sheet, but you can turn on or off any report you need. If you also want master data, switch to the Lists tab and select items like your customer list or chart of accounts. Be mindful that exporting a lot of reports over a long period can create a large file, so narrower ranges export faster and are easier to review. When your selections look right, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate the file, and your browser will download it, usually to your default Downloads folder. Open the .xlsx file in Excel or another compatible spreadsheet tool. If you exported multiple items, you may see several worksheets within one workbook or multiple files depending on your selections. Give the file a quick review to confirm the date range, accounting method, and totals are what you expect. If the export takes a while, that's normal for large datasets. For best results, use a stable internet connection and ensure you have the necessary QuickBooks permissions. That's it. Your data is now ready for deeper analysis, sharing, or archiving in Excel.